Welcome to another Gist English Masterclass. I'm glad you're here. Imagine you have the most important business meeting of your career this afternoon. Would you show up to the boardroom wearing an old, stained, highly wrinkled t-shirt? Most people choose sharp, clean clothes for these moments. We do this to project competence to our peers, because we know that our outward appearance signals our internal standards. Language functions the same way. When a professional relies on tired corporate jargon in an important meeting, it sends the same signal as that wrinkled t-shirt. Telling a team you want to circle back or synergize suggests a mindset that hasn't evolved with the modern landscape. Upgrading your business vocabulary to precise, modern verbs shifts how others evaluate your leadership. It replaces a reactive tone with one of clear intention. A tailored suit prepares the physical body for the boardroom. Precise terminology does the same for your ideas, making your contributions sound authoritative and ready for a global stage. This diagram shows the first word to reconsider: organize. Organizing is associated with clerical tasks, taking chaotic information and putting it into neat piles. It describes maintenance rather than leadership. A more precise leadership verb is curate. A curator at a gallery doesn't just sort paintings into alphabetical order. Curating involves selecting only the most vital items to display, rejecting what doesn't fit the vision. Organizing is about the task. Curating is about the choice. Using the latter signals that you are applying high-stakes judgment to the work you manage. This next section highlights a word that has lost its specific meaning: collaboration. Today, it frequently describes any group sitting in the same room or on a video call, a vague term for proximity. A technical, accurate replacement is synchronization. Here, these global teams operate in absolute unison, executing a sequence where every data point and workflow is timed to a shared rhythm. That is synchronization. It is the complex reality of a digital environment where every moving part must act in harmony to succeed. Talking about synchronization signals that you are orchestrating a system where everyone's efforts are precisely aligned. As a final bonus, consider your approach to obstacles. Saying you solve problems sounds reactive, as if you are simply catching fires after they start. If you say you neutralize bottlenecks, you signal a proactive mindset. It suggests that you identify and eliminate issues before they have the chance to scale. For the next 30 days, audit your own language. Notice when you use a generic corporate word and replace it with one of these specific descriptors. Those who want a seat at the global boardroom table must speak the language of leadership. Moving from management to orchestration begins with the words you choose. Thank you for joining this Gist Masterclass. Subscribe for more executive-level strategy, and I will see you in our next session.